What's up? I'm QS and Terry, and today is everydays.wtf 151. What that is, for those that don't know, is everydays.wtf is my WTF journal. Every day I ask myself, what's the future? And then I take detailed notes and store those in that journal. This is the video entry to accompany the journal for today. And we don't have a lot of time, but I came across this tool. It's called Quickvid.ai. I want to make a video about the importance of hiragana in the Japanese language. This is going to be interesting to see if it can generate the script and then make a video about this that we could post to TikTok. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and generate that script, get that script popping. It uses OpenAI's GPT 3.5 on the back end. I learned that from Twitter, which is cool because let's just read the script real quick before I go more there. Learn about the importance of hiragana in the Japanese language. Hiragana is one of the most basic writing systems in Japanese. It is phonetic script, which means each character corresponds to a sound. Hiragana is used to write many everyday words. It's to provide grammar and pronunciation cues. It's also typically the first writing system that Japanese learners learn. Without hiragana, Japanese wouldn't be the same. It's an essential part of the language and culture. Learning it can open up new opportunities for communication and understanding. Remember, hiragana is an important part of the Japanese language. Follow us for more tips and trips on learning Japanese. I'm actually cool with that. I would change the last sentence, but for the sake of time, I'm not going to do that. So what's happening now is it's going to generate the voice, which is going to be an English female voice. And then it's going to generate the background video, which should be correlated to the script. And then it has image overlays that it puts on top. And to give you like a perspective of that, you know, I made TikTok videos for like a short 3-month period last year. And it was an experiment I ran. And you can see here, like, you know, it's cool. I got a chance to do this. I racked up 2.7 million views on TikTok and learned a lot about TikTok. And, you know, making the content that you see to even get the views, like, was really tough. It was really, really tough. The biggest thing was I had to sit down and, you know, make said content, write the scripts, do all these things. And oftentimes it didn't work out for me. You know, you would get, you know, 105 views on a video, then you get 2,000 views on another video, and then 200 views. And so it was all over the place. But then when we did hit big, we hit really, really big. Like I had one video that like really went mega viral. I think that was an Apple video, and that did like 2 million views or something like that. And I had another video that did like a couple 100,000 views. But the whole premise here is there was a lot of time spent. There's a lot of editing spent. There was a lot of money spent in just getting the logistics of everything together. And I just wasn't necessarily in the best state when it came to TikTok, which is why I didn't continue doing it. I was like, this isn't really the best utilization of my time and energy. And you know what's funny? While we're waiting, maybe we should ask Chat GPT. Let's see. Explain the importance of TikTok for brand marketing. Because I don't think TikTok. So while I was doing that, hopefully we can get to a generated video that we can post, because we're getting close on the everyday's time. I'm burning the clock down. I was working on another project and I didn't finish exactly on time. So we're here now. And I'm waiting on things to process. This is always a fun part. Like whenever I'm waiting on a lot of things to process. It looks like Chat GPT is processing. It looks like maybe it's the OpenAI API. Maybe that's what's going on, because it looks like the internet is fine. Let me see. I'll try to pull up internet is fine. It's pulling up videos. Not getting anything on that. Maybe the LLMs are down. Okay, this came through. So we're gonna go ahead and just generate the final product, just because time is of the essence, and maybe this is gonna work. And it doesn't seem like we're catching any lift here. how you know these tools are still in beta. Like they don't work when you want them to work. They're like not consistent at all. This is still not generating nothing. It seems like OpenAI is not really rocking with TikTok today. I wonder why. We'll let that roll. This is generating the output. I'm excited to see what this video says. Like, if this video is dope, then I got to give it. Quickvid.ai is probably going to change our lives. But if it's not, then you're just going to what can you say? It's a beta. Like, I can't get mad at anyone that's saying, hey, I'm trying something new. For $10, I might be able to solve this problem. And a lot of brands do have this problem. The problem that they're facing is they have to fill accounts. Like, unless you're hiring a team that's going to do the editing, that's going to go ahead and get the talent, record the content, it's hard to fill a TikTok because you need, 2-3 videos a day just to get the shots up. And if you don't do that, then you're just putting yourself back. And it looks like, Chat GPT today is not really working for me. This is the first time I've ever seen it do this. I don't even know what to do, to be honest. Like, I'm so used to it working. Are you there? Yeah, I think we've experienced a downtime for ChatGPT. It's all good. We're almost done. So I'm excited to watch this video, see what comes of it. It could be good. It could be whack. I don't know, but I do know that it's going to be something very interesting. And the future of AI-generated video is one that I think we all want to be a part of, because when we can get to the point where we're making videos the same way we're making pictures, I think that AI-generated entertainment is really going to take off. Let's go ahead and we're just going to, I guess we could download it, or we could even play it here. But I think it's more official when you download and you watch something like on a big screen like this. So
learn about the importance of hiragana in the Japanese language. Hiragana is one of the most basic writing systems in Japanese. It is a phonetic script, which means that each character corresponds to a sound. Hiragana is used to write many everyday words, as well as to provide grammar and pronunciation cues. It is also typically the first writing system that Japanese learners learn. Without hiragana, Japanese wouldn't be the same. It is an essential part of the language and culture, and learning it can open up new opportunities for communication and understanding. Remember, hiragana is an important part of the Japanese language. Follow us for more tips and tricks on learning Japanese.
all right, I'm not mad at the output. Output was pretty good. There were some big errors. Like, there was parts where it was showing hiragana that it wasn't hiragana. But for the most part, if I wanted to make like a TikTok just about the Japanese language, and I wanted to build interest and see what was there, I probably would go ahead and make like a 2D avatar, and then I would figure out a way to generate better background videos, because this was good enough, I think, to post, because it's just we did this in 10 seconds, but I would try to dial that in a bit, and then I would change these image overlays, and then this wasn't bad. It fits. Like, this is what people expect on TikTok. This is a good vibe for now. I think you can definitely build the initial channel, like a faceless channel, using something like this, and who knows? I think it's actually really good for brands that don't have a team to edit and make all the content. And the fact that it even generated the first script was pretty badass. So I'm going to say this is a win for Quickvid.ai, and I'm glad it worked, the GPT on this side, because it wasn't working on the actual site, so we couldn't use ChatGPT to help us with the script at all. But, that's the thing with these beta tools. Sometimes they're going to work, sometimes they're not. But I will catch you all in the future, and thanks again for tapping in.